Hi guys, welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing the questions of the Arabic. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want these subjects, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And here we are discussing the questions of the Arabic paper. And you can see here the questions of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so some long answers are here, 1 2 3, and the last one, this one is 1 2 3 4 questions. So according to the subjects, according to the we have prepared all the answers according to the numbers and according to the chapter wise. If you want these answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. If you have other queries, we are here for help you. Thank you.